guys, I literally look disgusting right now. It's 9:45 in the morning. Literally just woke up. I want to clean my white vans because it's really sunny outside and they're dirty. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean them because it's really easy. I usually just put my shoes in there and I turn on the hot water. I have this like little thing that holds the water from going away. Just like that. So I don't fill it up all the way. I just let it get moist. So what I use to clean them is Sote. It's this pink soap. My mom told me to use it because it helps everything go back to white. I use a toothbrush. So then I would wet the soap a little bit and then go like that. And then get the shoe and just start scrubbing. Since my shoes are really dirty, it'll take a while. So now I let that one soak a little bit and then I start with the other one. Since the water's already dirty here, I let the water get out. And then while the water's running and that dirty water is going, I like to brush it off. I honestly just keep on doing this. The more you do it and you start to notice it getting whiter. This is my last time. This is what they look like now. Better. Obviously right here, like I said, it gets really dirty. This is what my shoes look like. They look really dirty right now in here because the lighting's bad, but I promise they're not that dirty. See, not that dirty. I usually go like this to get all the water out. Okay, so for this next part, which is literally the final part before they become new, you'll need a bowl of water and some toilet paper. I know this is weird, but trust me, it works. This is just gonna help make it even more whiter and help it dry without making these yellow. You're gonna get a piece of toilet paper, you're gonna run it through the water like that, and then you're just gonna put it on top of the shoe. You just do that completely all over the shoe, and you want to make sure to cover everything, because if you don't, then that part of your shoe is going to be yellow, which sucks because the whole point is for it not to be yellow. To keep you focused, you wanna say so. This is what my shoe looks like with everything done. This one's done. Now I'm gonna do my left foot. Finish the second shoe. This is what both of my shoes look like. Trust me, I know it looks crazy, but you're gonna put these out in the sun and I just leave them there. So I usually leave them there the whole day, but I'll see you guys when they're dry. Has the audacity to get my shoes. So my dog Lola, the one I just showed, she literally got my shoes and destroyed them. I'll insert a picture. Hi guys, I literally just took a shower not too long ago and I look so bad. It's Friday, April 17th. It's 9:17 right now. I just wanted to show you guys how my shoes look like. I'm gonna take the paper off like this. I'm sorry if you can hear people screaming in the back, they're playing a game. This is what my shoe looks like, brand new or whatever. This is how both of them look like. They look really clean compared to how they were. There's not much to it. It's pretty easy. I really recommend this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.